Aye, these rappers is actors, they life is insane. You catch me in traffic, got pipes with the beams. Got so many clips that I could make a movie. Herb got the Uzi up under the cooch. Them niggas with you, they look like some goofies. Don't try to rob me, you gon' have to shoot.
Niggas try to rob me, that'll never happen. Keep my Smith & Wesson hollow to his chest, and someone call a reverend. Taught that boy a lesson, here come 9/11. Step right over him and check if you ain't checkin'. 4 nickel jam, damn he caught a blessing. Bet not come through flexing, all my niggas reckless. If you looking for us, just pull up on S.
I chop on the corner no matter the weather. A stack for the sweater, I chop in Margiela. Shooters, they with me, they pack a Beretta. She let me fuck from the back when I met her. That 357 to send you to heaven. These niggas is telling, my niggas is fellas. My bitches dyking like they name was Ellen. Laughing at niggas like they name was Kevin.
Ayy, codeine what I'm sipping, gas what I'm inhaling. Pasta what you smelling, rolling up Dutchies in the living room. Got my mama yelling, chill out while you tripping. Fucking in my session, here a couple hundred, go out channel 7. Mama knew I was the man since I was 7. Never she don't give a damn about the press.
I hop on the track, you can see what I'm spitting. You niggas wouldn't believe how I'm living. I don't think they could take the heat in the kitchen. I pray my young niggas get freed out the prison. My block is hot, the police is flipping. My niggas savage, don't need a religion. I see niggas hopping and I'm going shopping. I pop out the cut and I'm squeezing and dipping.
And we call that completing the mission. You know everywhere we go, got like 2 or 3 poles. Shoot them bitches if you look suspicious.
Play with me, you gon' see with the fists. Know them killers don't shoot from a distance. And them niggas ain't leaving no witness. Eat up tracks, man, this beat was delicious.
That fuck nigga ain't gon' shoot. Niggas is capping, they say that they savage, but I ain't heard nothing about you. That fuck nigga ain't gon' shoot. They say that they trapping, they claim that they got it, but I ain't heard nothing about you. Before me and Bibby had verses and show money pallin', we was just young niggas wildin'. Even though I be rapping about murders and violence, when the police come I'm silent. Louis V on my shirt and Gabbana my shades, Versace my belt I be stylin'. Yo bitch say she in love with my hot nigga verse, now she sucking my dick for freestylin'.
I'm still putting on for my city. Fuck niggas rapping like Bibby. Still ride around with my glitz. Pull up, do a nigga like Rick. Say you can't get out of this game. End up murk like Kane. Y'all niggas be looking like stains. Young bird, I'll take a nigga chain.
That fuck nigga ain't gon' shoot. Niggas is capping, they say that they savage, but I ain't heard nothing about